Alright, what's up my Pugnios? Andy with Andy Vlogs. Excited to share with you guys a brand new series. This is my house. I bought it almost 2 years ago from the date. And a lot of it really needed some work. The whole downstairs needed to be finished. And I wanted to go ahead and start a series where I show you what we end up doing. This first episode, this introductory episode, is going to show you what the house looked like when we first purchased it. I did a tour a long time ago on my gaming channel for all my viewers at that time of what my house was and what it looked like, and I wanted to repurpose that footage for this episode. So episode 1, we're going to show you everything. You just saw the family room, now you're seeing the kitchen, and we're going to go all throughout the house and show you prior to what we've done prior to moving, what it looked like. In the upcoming episodes, we're going to show you the difference between the two, what we decided to do, you know, from a design, from an interior decorating standpoint. I also aim to show you how we finished the basement as well. Without further ado, come check it out. Here it is. Here's the stairs. We've got really high vaulted ceilings here. That's what I really liked about it. Our linen closet. Let's move into the, it's nice and tiled. The toilets. They were shaky and they fixed it, which is nice. A nice little tub for the kids. Give you guys kind of a panorama of this bedroom. Look at that. Look how much room that is. That's like, you could sleep in here. This is just the upstairs. The reason why we bought this house is downstairs, my friends. Huge, gigantic closet. And here is the same kind of a structure. Let's go. Same. This is my tub. I'm a bather. It's a little windy, but from that fence line all the way basically out and then over and then like right before that tree is where our property is. So I don't have to keep up any of the gardening. I mean, we have our own little garden there. So come downstairs, 2 levels below where we sleep. We still have to finish down here. So here it doesn't have the light fixtures, but it's got a whole bunch of stuff and it's got the hookups. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, they took the washer and dryer. Here's where our washer and dryer is. Other things. And then here is where I'm going to be gaming. You guys ready? Look how much light that is. There it is. It's got light already. And then what I was also thinking, I was thinking of doing a couch gaming thing. 2 closets. You getting excited? Nice, gamer. And I'm making this little hideaway my computer den. I'm pretty stoked. I hope you guys are excited for me. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna let you guys go. If you like, yeah, my phone's gonna die. Subscribe if you wanna see more. My name's Andy and this is my house tour. Welcome.